If you want to become a CapCut template creator, then this video is for you. I'm gonna answer all of your questions related to becoming a CapCut template creator, so stay tuned and watch till end. The first thing is, what is basically CapCut template? Why to become a CapCut template creator? How to get CapCut Pro for free? How to apply to become a CapCut template creator? What to include in the application? Best practices to get approval. How to create first CapCut template. So let's get started. So first thing first, open TikTok, any of the TikTok account, and you will see these kind of templates here. You can click on these templates and use the template here and get your videos to the broader audience. Here you can use any of these templates and then go edit these templates with your own clips, your own photos, and upload those videos, and all the sound effects, everything, the filters, transitions, effects, everything will be pre-installed or pre-edited. You just need to done. You can export your video by using an existing template. So this is what the answer to the first question. So our second question was why to become a CapCut template creator. After becoming a CapCut template creator, you can get so much boost on your TikTok videos, and in the meantime you can also get CapCut Pro for free, and you can also win up to $2,000 by CapCut, and you will be rewarded with so many other gifts as well. You can read about the CapCut Pro template creator policies. There are so much things to offer inside CapCut. So after becoming a CapCut creator, you will get the boost, you will get prizes, you will get cash money, and so much other that CapCut is recently offering. Our next question was how to get CapCut Pro for free. You can download and watch my videos. There are so many videos on my channel about getting CapCut Pro for free. Here you can invite your friends and get CapCut Pro for free, and if it is not appearing in your country, then you can use a VPN and change the proxy to United States, Australia, or UK or Vietnam. Then you can easily get CapCut Pro for free. One person is downloading from your link here with the help of this invitation code. Then you can get CapCut Pro for free for 7 days, and if it continued for other person, then you will get like multiply by 7, and this is how you can get CapCut Pro for free. Our next question was how to apply to become a CapCut template creator. To do that, you just need to go to login option. You can log in with your email ID, TikTok ID, or whatsoever ID you are using. Then you go to mobile phone, and here you go to me option, and here you have to first of all sign in, and then there will be an option. You just go to this me option or go to the template option. Here at the top right corner or in the middle, there will be a slide showing up that you can become I'm already a CapCut creator, so I cannot show you here, but it will be here at the top where it is written for you. So there will be a slide. You can go and apply there to become a CapCut creator. So you might be asking me a question like, okay, what to include in the application? That was the next question, that if you are using CapCut out of United States, Australia, can you be a CapCut creator? Yes, of course you can be. Just use a VPN if the templates are not showing or if effects are not showing there. You can use a VPN and choose your proxy to United States, Australia, Vietnam, or UK, or wherever it is working. So after that, how to apply and what to include in the application? That is a tricky question. You don't need to apply with the help of a screenshot or bad edit. Just go to edit any of the videos and make sure that you are on the portrait mode, not on the landscape mode. After that, you edit with all the transitions. Make sure that you are applying good transitions, and in the meantime the voice is clear, and you screen record your edits. Let's say this is my video and I screen record all of my edits while editing. Whenever I'm editing this video, I need to screen record my video and do the commentary and voiceovers and everything, and it must be below 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. So save that video. You are demonstrating that how you edit your videos, and make it sure that you are doing right transitions, effects, and other fade in, fade out options, and keyframe and most used elements are there. So you are going for the perfect things, and make sure that you are capturing this one in English language, because currently this is in English language here in America and other places like UK or Australia. Edit a good video below 5 minutes and then go to the option to submit that edit. Once you edit your video, just upload that video here while going to the template creator, here you will see the option to become a CapCut template creator and make sure that you are logged in. After that, you submit the application form. That is very simple. There you need to upload this video you edited in portrait mode, not the landscape. Once again, upload this video. You are demonstrating that how you edit your videos. Then you have to wait for 5 to 10 days, but normally like in 2 days they respond. If your edit is quite better, then you can become a CapCut template creator. They will accept your application. You have to wait, and once you become the CapCut template creator, your application is accepted. Then you have to go to the next stage. As I already discussed the best practices, these are the best practices to edit a good video. Like you see these templates here, there are shakes, tags, and everything is absolutely stunning, beautiful. I actually edited on my MacBook and then exported that same edit to my mobile phone, and then I applied with the help of that video because my microphone, everything was synced to my MacBook. But anyway, make sure that is portrait mode. Alright, congratulations. If you're accepted as a template creator, then you can go edit any video. Let's say this is a video here. I'm gonna edit this one. This is what I have, some transitions, some sound effects, and this is the complete edit of my video if I play like this. And now what I can do, once I become a CapCut template creator, then I can go choose the ratio here, 4K and 30 frames per second. If the motion is too much, you can go for 60 frames per second, and you can also go for higher. Make sure that you are linked with the TikTok account so that you can easily export this template to the TikTok account. Just go to export. Once your edit is saved, you just hit save to device. Once you save this video to the device, then you get back and see this option that is called post as a template. Now it will be posted as a template. Wait for the procedure to be completed. Alright, so here are some of the options. Now if you go to post here, and now you can see easily, like you can give a title to this one. As you can see, I have given one title and this is the description. It supports up to 54 characters. You can give the hashtags as well. Once you are done, you can choose the cover here. Let's say this is my cover, my face like this one. Alright, whatsoever you choose, save this cover here. This is the thumbnail you will use, and now you can post this one directly to your TikTok that is linked to your account, and now it's posting there. Later on I'm gonna show you that where it is in my account. Alright, so that is done. Now it's ready to share on TikTok. Let's say I'm gonna share this one to TikTok. Later on I will delete from the TikTok so that other people can use. Here next, here is a test. Okay, post this one here. I can choose the template there as well, like the thumb. Okay. If you go directly, you can go to the template there, or if you want to go back to your TikTok, and that is there done. And now you go back to me option. This is here, test template, and if I open this one, now there is an option to use this template. I can simply go to use this template and somebody can edit their videos using this template. So this is that much easy. Delete this one because this was just a test template, and I want to keep this one there. That's it. I have some, and remember that this will go under review because you see this, there is one Cowboys that is under review, and once they approve this template, this will become the real CapCut template on TikTok so that other people can come and use these templates with all effects you applied in a video. This is very much essential if you do with the velocity editing. If you don't know about the velocity editing, I will come up with a video about velocity editing. Some people use this template, and recently I came across the CapCut template creation. So there are only 2 or 3 I have already created, and one is congratulations message. So you can also create. And if I go back to my TikTok, this one here, my profile, this template creator gets more views as compared to my normal videos. This is a template like this one. Try this template. They will stay where they are, behind them. So I think so many videos are there on the internet about templates, but none of them is as comprehensive as this video. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. I will bring some other new stuff in the future. Bye and take care.